as a normal snap, no media upload. Want to send a photo or video from your camera roll as a normal snap, without it showing as a media upload? I'll show you the trick in just a few taps. First, open Snapchat and swipe up to go to Memories. This is where your saved photos and videos live. Find the photo or video you want to send and tap to open it. Here's the secret. Instead of hitting send, press and hold the photo/video, then drag it down to the blue snap button at the bottom. Boom! Now it'll open like a normal snap, not a media upload. Add filters, text, or doodles, then send it like usual. Unlike a media upload, which shows a download icon, this method makes it look like you just took the snap, perfect for keeping things seamless. And that's how you send camera roll pics as normal snaps. If this helped, drop a like. See you next time.